In the heart of Europe, there's a land seemingly untouched by time, a land where beauty hides in plain sight. This is Switzerland, a place of unseen splendors and unexplored wonders. Beneath the glossy postcards of snow-capped mountains and crystal-clear lakes, Switzerland's true beauty lies in its lesser-known corners. It's a symphony of the senses that unfolds in the soft rustle of leaves in the untouched forests, the gentle hum of bees in the wildflower meadows, and the whispering winds that sweep across the alpine peaks. Imagine walking through the lush valleys of the Jura Mountains, where the air is sweet with the scent of pine and wildflowers. Here, the only sounds are the chirping of birds and the gurgling of crystalline streams that meander through the landscape. This, indeed, is where nature sings a lullaby to the soul. Venture off the beaten path and stumble upon Switzerland's quaint hamlets, each one a testament to the country's rich heritage. From the cobblestone streets of Gruyères to the charming chalets of Appenzell, these towns take you on a journey back in time. Here, tradition and modernity coexist in a harmonious blend, creating a tapestry of culture that's as rich as it is diverse. Switzerland's beauty also lies in its culinary delights. Imagine savoring a piece of creamy Gruyère cheese, its flavors a testament to the quality of Swiss dairy, or perhaps relishing a spoonful of velvety Swiss chocolate, each bite a symphony of sweetness that melts on your tongue. These are not just food, but a celebration of Swiss craftsmanship that's been perfected over centuries. The unseen beauty of Switzerland extends beyond its landscapes and cuisine. It's also woven into the fabric of Swiss society. The country's commitment to sustainability, its respect for nature, and its emphasis on quality of life are all elements that contribute to its unique charm. From the meticulously maintained hiking trails to the efficient public transportation system, every aspect of Swiss life reflects a deep-rooted respect for the environment and a commitment to preserving its natural beauty for generations to come. As night falls, the Swiss sky transforms into a canvas of stars, painting a picture of tranquility that's as captivating as it is serene. The hush of the night, punctuated only by the distant hoot of an owl or the rustle of the wind, is a reminder of the peace and tranquility that defines this nation. In the end, the unseen beauty of Switzerland is a story waiting to be discovered, a tale of natural wonders, cultural richness, and a sustainable lifestyle. It's a beauty that whispers in the rustling leaves, sings in the bubbling brooks, and shines in the starlit sky. It's the beauty that lies in the quiet corners of the Swiss countryside, in the heart of its people, and in the soul of its traditions. It's a beauty that's as profound as it is captivating, as enduring as it is enchanting. This is Switzerland, a land of unseen beauty,